Today I will be, I guess, pranking slash gifting my friend and my best friend actually. And so this is the plan. I'm going to be gifting my friend a Concord Plane Lego set. Why this specific gift? Let's take it back a few weeks ago. We were playing Lego Fortnite. We had a lot of fun playing the game, building, and pranking my other best friend. Blowing up the house took a while because there's are a lot of failed attempts that happens, like this. And another one killing himself while destroying the house. This is why simple tasks can never be simple because of him. However, another reason why I got him a Lego set is that he likes planes a lot and wanted to become an excellent pilot. That's why I chose this present. Going back to my plan, this Lego set would not be easy to get. I'm going to replace the Lego set with the hangers and random items. This hopefully will create a lot of confusion and his feelings will be shattered. So now let's get into our second part of the plan, our master plan. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over his house and we're gonna go to his room. We're gonna plant the package that we just prepared and we're gonna go plant our real Lego set under his bed and we're gonna set up the camera. We're gonna wait and then we're gonna leave the house when he's almost nearby and we're gonna be hiding in the car while he opens up everything. So hopefully our plan is safe and we don't get caught. But right now I'm just waiting for this. He's getting a headset.
2 hours later.
ماما مين انت شايلتيها يعني؟ خدمات؟ حسني قلبي مثلا وانا اللي هي الكونكريت لا لا تسوي هوني bro. No. This shit big as fuck. I got peanut butter. Yeah. Sometimes. That's crazy. I didn't even know what the fuck going on. Some hangers, some screws. Is that a bike pump? Is that a, oh, you're here? Alright. Oh, he's recording me. 24 minutes?
Shit dirty. I was trying to hide in there, bro. Look how dirty it is.
I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look.
What? Look, bro. It's so dirty, bro.
Fucking bitch. You be looking through my shit too much. You crazy, Mark. You spend way too much. Hey, Lord.
All you. All you, bro.
That's crazy. I don't even know where I'm gonna put it.
That's crazy, huh?
That's